YouTube, good morning. Welcome back to David and HD. We have a new banger right now. Love and partner jar. Me not even do a whole heap of chattings. Just remember if you like, if you not like already, subscribe, comment your favorite part when I done watching movie. Watch now. Remember if you go over my music channel, David and 1LF on YouTube. The link I got in the description. Remember if you go over the other movie making channels too. You have True World TV, Tugger TV, Coloring Book TV, PFS Films, Kayla Films, and a whole lot of them. You see me? But in the meantime, in between time, just get some popcorn and ready to enjoy the movie. Love and partner jar. Active. Boss, you come back.
You talk to you see the boy, son. Look one thing, sir. No son, this you going way up in a heap, sir.
Today I pay the now. Where they pan?
Me can't pay for this.
What mean I can't
How
pay?
me go pay for this when you clean up his and go up, sir? Look where you gone.
Boss, I'm not done work yet.
Me tell you to spread out, son. Yeah. Me tell you to take up his sand, yeah, spread out, son.
So not tell me they take up his sand.
Look on all the stone, look there.
I forget pay from yesterday. Me nobody there for the excuse them. Give me pay my youth.
Me can't give you nothing big right now.
Me can't give me nothing big.
Hold, sir. You can't give you nothing big. Because you're not right, you're not focused. You see me?
How are this?
I 2 buckets inside here.
What is? When me hold on pan that charge you, I'm full pay there. I'm full pay me a defend. I'm full pay there. You know, give me full pay.
You know, let's not say before I put myself in a problem.
Before you put yourself,
Wow,
you
yeah.
show your problem. You show your problem. You know, give me full pay. You know, give me full pay.
No, not that. Touch me with the shovel.
Yo, you know, give me full
with the
pay.
shovel. And you see what I'm going.
You know, say no work.
Because I know say no
You know
more
work, you
deal.
know. You know work. You tell her that.
You see a young boy, him no word trouble. You tell her. Imagine me tell you, hey, take up this and you spread out this and in my place. How you expect we get paid?
Serve. Yo, me want.
Sir, me can get one Pepsi please and thanks.
Yo, me want one pound
What?
of chicken back when I done. Here.
Jesus, I mean Pepsi serious 3 bills. 3 bills to one Pepsi. Sir, 2 bills me have. Me not have no $300 for no Pepsi.
Miss, make it on. Yo, put it on my bill for that. I'm pay for it. Here, half of that. Just give me 1 pound of chicken back.
Thanks.
Don't worry about it, man. That good. So, make it chicken back, stand up. So far, aggravated.
Yes, because you know my day wasn't going well. So thanks it.
Don't worry about it, man. That's all it is. Sorry, some phones you know. I hope my day are coming from.
Okay.
So, where you heading to?
I'm home.
Where is home?
Right up myself.
For real. So, what's your name?
Me and Shan.
Shan. You're familiar with Shan. So, Shan, I couldn't get to know you.
Sure, why not?
Alright, so I could have taken a number like bring up one to
No, me not give me number, me give me Instagram.
Instagram.
Yes.
Why Instagram?
Alright. Give me a phone, me give me number.
Shan, me not have a phone, you know, miss, my boss smash up your while ago.
God, so what you do with my number, sir?
Alright. Give me your number, man. Me use my cousin's phone and call.
Oh, me go get it. You go remember it?
Remember it in my head. I'm pretty girl like I am. Remember every detail from your born nose to your pretty face. Every single
Use
thing.
me Instagram.
Where Instagram go?
Daniel Shan.
Alright. You text her tonight. So we can go for another date then.
I say I want to move fast, yeah, but anyways, dating. Thanks, see Pepsi.
Don't worry about it. Dan Calshan. Yo, chicken back.
Girl, you must kill me. Girl, me have to top down and shop down the and buy one Pepsi. What make you place a hat, Kayla?
No, you could buy more water. You come with a long hand.
Water? I want to tell you, say, I want ugly piece of boy give me $100 for make up for buy this year content more water. I never know say I saw Pepsi and things get dear.
Me backside.
$300?
See, some man have to give you money if you buy one Pepsi, you can't afford one Pepsi.
You know, say that me not like. That's why sometimes I say me and your friend. Cause you always go like say you want disrespect me. Me say man give me $100 can normally have 2 bills for one Pepsi or Pepsi which are $300.
But between you now come a road, that's why.
Right.
But between you now come a road, that's why.
Right. Girl, next thing now, me glad say me I get this a partner honey, you know. Can't believe say $300 for one Pepsi. And then now, me glad me I get it in this week. Because I back to school and me not no money.
So when I
me
get
have niece and nephew for send go to school.
So when I get the partner dry, you give me no tight?
You hear me just say things get dear and me are back to school and you can you want $250 and you find $50 put on if you buy one Pepsi instead of the water. So girl,
you couldn't say you give me $1,000.
Anyways, I know that me talk about.
We talk about.
A boy invite me out on a date.
The ugly man?
He will give me $100. But you see true, me don't want to look so bad. Me tell him alright.
Mama, it don't look bad when you go to and date to that ugly man. It don't go look bad.
Kayla. No say them things I can't take with the Kayla when me cannot come out of people business.
Hello, are you okay? Business come right so come put down. I never call you say no.
Come out of people business. You go like say you have no man will look good.
The man in me not a man, you have a right, me don't have the man who look good because me don't got no. Listen to me. Might as well like you take the boy $100.
And guess
Fix
what?
up yourself property.
You might go ask me. Can you get a number? Guess what?
In a phone.
In bar smash up in phone.
And what kind of look broke pocket man you dey go take up?
And it look like a site in work pan.
Girl, the man see
After I say me want chopper.
He not see any wig.
In can babe. Girl not even talk about that.
He don't see any wig.
He not even can buy one of my nose ring then.
Well, we can advise you for this. Fix up yourself properly.
And guess when did I order?
What?
Chicken back.
Mama, you better take your back your Pepsi and take your $100 from the shopkeeper and give me back.
No.
I think it's not going to work. For your lifestyle too hype.
That me not take with it. Anyways, I go up and I can set the jump for water going there. I can't bother for a bathing under bucket. I bathing in my shower.
Yeah, remember, fix up your wig, fix up your face, and fix up your body.
Tell her bye.
Yeah, bye. No, you go to it ugly, man.
Oh.
Wait. See me here, man.
David Dan! Jesus Christ, boy, what?
I there, man.
Oh, you come on for work?
I come and fight for you. I know say, the boy if I pay me for a win. He come, boss. Come today. I give you about $50. Real life $50. But this medicine man lift up trouble and find man say yo no come back here work. Cause if you pay me for a win, but show him I say I work not do good, which really and truly, father, I whole heap of work for do for one man. Believe me, say me I do it.
Hold on. I don't cry, me I cry. So hold on there. $50, like you
God has me there.
S what? Hold on. You S what kind of are Jamaican J what kind of
$50 Jamaican as me there right. That's why if I lie me and tell God strike me and boom up every part of me.
No, hold on. Cause me no go good school, you know, but me try to do my best. And one of them man give you.
You cannot hear me, so one of them man give me. Yo, me say me never know say I could get mad so.
I know one of them man give you.
Father, one of them when I some shot them or whoever they pan one of them man give me. So me I tell us say instantly me get mad you know.
Hold on, when they on the side?
No, ain't good man. Watch out man. That side. Come
on.
Watch out man.
Come on, man.
Hold on, man. That pass and gone already. So me I say me go down and shop now.
This my friend, you know you.
Hold on, that good man.
Yeah.
I mess up on this. That good now. So me say me go down and shop now. Right? Go down and shop. So me I buy a piece of bread. So chicken back and sitting. Me meet this nice girl and sitting, but like him money short.
So hold on, David.
Hold on, cause me like, two me not got a good school. Me like overstand.
Yeah.
So you go buy a piece of bread out of $50. What you give you?
You see me dash right, man. Remember say me want to build down there and come.
Okay.
Remember say we name good a shop.
Yeah.
So me say me I buy a piece of chicken back and I was sitting. Boy and girl come and like him money short cause Pepsi a cheap bills Pepsi you know. Up to me you know so.
$300?
Yeah, so he must say
Everything raise, all the girl them raise.
God no. So he say you know, you want my Pepsi, but he can't afford it, so I say shop just put it on my bill. Right now you can't.
I kill him just up. Jesus Christ.
For me now tell you, when I best looking girl, I say for a win. So for that now, me just say alright, me ask him out. Can me feel confident you know? Me just pay for him sitting and feel confident. He
Well,
say,
you still like the music?
what you mean?
I want to a style that you put in the music.
That me a show you
Why
man.
you full of
That me a show
So
you.
what go on after that?
Yeah, you accept a date and say, but yo,
So you reach your date already?
Well, no man in a reach yet, man.
Jesus Christ, that boy you tough.
He date soon forward. But three boss man mash up my phone. So right now, he send me text him on Instagram. So me borrow my cousin's phone on my guy yard and text him.
So your boss man mash up your phone.
My old, you come like when me live up a shovel and find me lick my pocket or something.
So you and him in a...
Me and him never had nothing but me tell us I'm lift up a shovel and
You know from your guys school you come like your friend of people. Come on man.
My yo, Bill no man. Bill no man. Me tell some my girl me a talk
Yo,
about her now. Bill no man.
yo.
Calm no man. The boss man good man. Me page him differently. But now me I tell us I meet this a girl like. So me you know want tomorrow, me don't know, me set a date for tomorrow. So me buy up one suit or something. Me not even dress up mad.
So you go buy a suit and you have the money?
I me show you, me also dress normal. But me
No, figure normal. Like you're lyrical. You're full of lyrics in your song. You figure normal. You see, when a girl come here and you look on him, the first look I qualify if you want him. So when a girl look on you for the first time, you can't go normal, David, and you have to go hard, mad, sick, dark with the ER on it. And so you have to go from in see you, in fall. And you catch him in your heart.
You're tough, right? You're smart, right? That's why you know some
You know some people write the song them for you.
God, no.
God, no, daddy.
That's smart.
So what you say now? What you say?
Alright, tell her. Me know want look a place named Chill Pops. I think me bring him up there now. Chill Pops. Me don't know if I this me bring him, but I want one nice idea.
No, me no feel say we can't go chill spot first. Cause you know we need art yet. Me feel if we can't go Yard Man Cafe. You know, Yard
Man Cafe.
Yeah, no, Yard Man. You get what I say? Yard Man. I just say if we can't me. Yeah. So what go on after that?
No, you know, so me don't know if I can bring him there so cause me not no money for go there so. I good with that. Me no money. Me not no money for go there so. Me name no good round there so like that feature surround there. Me figure sit no still.
Hold on, David. Hold on. Yeah. Hello? Yeah, baby man. Yeah. You know what I mean? If you do your ear, but God Almighty, just one number upon the checking number wrong, baby. So the money, a weekend, you say. So just hold it here, yeah, till weekend, me give money. Here. I say, I love you, say no. I love you, fat. Alright, me soon call about baby, yeah. Me I put an extra 5,000 upon you for you. Yeah, me baby? Yeah, you cook? Yeah. Cook food. What you can cook food? You cook? Alright, baby. Love you. Yeah. Love you. Yeah, me dog, you know. I love for me. I come from, you know, me killer. Well, I say, I'm money, you know. I'm money if you do more man here, but you see, let me tell you something. So when I look, woman, you see, anytime you go on a date with the girl, find out when you eat. You see, if you eat curry, goat, ox tail, and them thing there, walk out. Just walk out of the restaurant. You see, if you love tin mackerel, chicken mac and them thing there, holy man will give nobody else him. Date.
Father, no man.
Yo, how you do, Davy?
No, brother.
Davy, you hurt me. Davy.
No man, yo man here want to do, brother.
Davy.
Yo man.
Oh God, man. Davy, me must say you help me do my school work, you know, my killer. And you teach me how to control the ball and pass in a girl and belly, you know.
Man, me can't take your money, brother.
Davy, listen me now. Alright, you're not, listen. Hold on. Cause you're not take it. You see me? You're not take it. That a fear.
Yo.
That a water. And that a you get fear. How you do that? Don't take it.
Yo.
Don't take Hey. Listen me.
Yo.
Look how my daddy. Just cool on my dad, man.
Yo,
I want you. So when you win him, control pass in belly. Boy or girl, 9 months off a baby about. Look more. Yo. Yeah, man, you know.
Yo, man. Yo, respect here.
Remember when you're boxing up, you make me write the song them in the car. You're tough boy, David.
God, look at him, yo. Come in have a dollar in my pocket, man. I wonder if I can go trust piece of bullet. Rashan,
Yes.
thank you for coming on the dates.
You're welcome.
So you can't tell me about yourself. It's an interesting woman.
It's not really much to know about. First, me want business woman.
Business.
And yeah.
Mm.
And I have kids. I have 3 sons. And I'm not in our relationship for a while
Why?
because my baby father love cheat and he's stupid. I don't know him up. It's nothing much really.
Well, to tell you the truth, you know, take even one blind man can say you're one good girl. So, I know my place say nothing about your baby father, but if the situation is different, would have value. It would make you, yeah, do all that something.
For sure.
So, you do for fun.
Netflix and chill. I like it fair though, nice.
You know, say enough for me do, but thank you so much.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
I really appreciate you taking the time out to make this happen. You know?
No problem, man.
Just watching the water and the sea.
Yeah,
Nice.
I'm glad you like it. I'm really glad you like it. But like I already mentioned, say I'm sitting for the mineral a couple of times.
Yeah, because I have some partner and something to collect. So.
Alright, no problem. I'm going to carry back home now.
Alright.
Why, that date, they're just nice. I never call Kayla and tell her. Kayla, girl.
Yeah.
Girl, me say, my best thing ever happened to me today.
What do you?
Girl, me go on a date with the boy.
Allah, you can't go on a date with the boy?
Then almost. Girl, the boy nice, him nice, him nice.
Like how you go on a date with them, that means you can let the ugly boy alone them.
You must be mad. Girl, you say if you don't know what you talk, say. Not because me say ugly that you authority if you say him ugly. The boy I get nice. He look like a tree him did dirty.
Mama, dirt don't make nobody look ugly. You can't wash off ugliness.
You know say that me can't take with a Kayla, you take everything for joke.
Girl, you better me talk to in person because you don't make no sense over the phone.
Me not make no sense over the phone. You just enough. Me soon come link you.
Can you go on date with ugly boy and want him?
Come on for this. You say my friend name disgusting. I don't know. Oh, for my friend name stay so. Jesus Christ, man. I'm gonna get something for eat.
Jesus Christ.
Yo! What happened to you?
Come on, that's David.
What happened to you?
You want to bite me up?
Which one?
Bro, no, so. You want some man in the whole car. And me going out the bacon and the back lemon and spray them and they bite me up.
Well, I'm not sorry for you. I'm not telling you that. They shouldn't bite at all. Where you are going? Where you are going? Respectfully, me car this morning. I must say, car nice. And AC cool. You want some bush?
I'm rub your rib,
You
man.
want ginger tea?
No, I'm rub
Come
your
back
rib.
good. I don't know either way. Respectfully, watch you. Yo, that watch out. Pad. Bro.
So where did it go?
Yo, I'm maddest date and I threw me the on him. I never saw one date mad so. One at a time, in the day, it will call and send and I pops it.
Man.
What's
No, say somebody, but hey.
There was a terrible man, you have to take care of them.
And I want man bite me, and I want woman one.
And a man no bite it. Yeah, I read that.
Man, yeah. So what's the plan on the date, you know?
Tell us I'm Miles date me ever go on. And not even show me go on it. Father, he date mad. One night time, in the day, I eat an ice cream and a popsicle. I like chocolate popsicle. I not even know what they name. And that me see him in the day, I eat and a
No, what you say, mate?
chocolate popsicle. No mine, like a real one them.
Oh, cause yeah, remember say me no go to good school, you know?
You know, man.
Mm-hmm.
So what did they know? And in the day, I watch it cool, sea breeze. Who want to say breeze? Cool.
It breeze.
From the sea.
From the sea. Oh,
So me just
Cooler AC.
Cooler than
Lord
the AC.
God Almighty.
So me just today a normal now and everything. When I time he smell me cologne, he want to lend me. He must say, Jesus Christ. If I kick him down, I turn him turn over and I see.
Think of one place.
So
Don't even style ya.
That me a show you.
Lord God Almighty.
So me just did it now. And normal. And you know me not to push it. But me I say thanks for it on the date and sit and sit. He must say, yeah. I tell him, say, you know, so when he just meet me, he didn't think some style did so tough. Car through a sight, you see me I come off and
snap. So you know say one man and have nothing over you.
Me I show you, man. Nothing. Not even Jackie Chan.
Jackie Chan like woman. You're tougher than that.
By far.
Yeah, you don't have money more. Yeah. So what going on for?
So anyways now, me decide say me I carry him. When me I carry him now, you know, 100 hard pan the toll. He must say, me even know see I could have drive too. So me I say
full buck.
No full, half buck.
Yeah.
Gas there and something.
Yeah.
So me say everything good and I'm dropping pan there. Be a laugh, me see my laugh.
So you can't home yet?
No sir, not yet. Me no want rush it. But look, what you think? You think me fi ask him to come over?
You know what this remind me of? You remind when me young like you know boy and the first date me go pan, you know. And the whole of them thing the way you talk about me do, you know.
Yeah.
And when me can't home mama yard and feel like me will get it, you know. Mama say, good night, tomorrow.
Hey, you didn't get it.
No, me didn't get it.
You didn't get it, man.
But mama rate you though.
Yeah.
But no, yo, me feel proud, bro. Like, but what are they? So you rate him like that or you just want to shoot off of him?
You know what I say? I'm tell you how me and end up meet. I cut me, you know. I say I cut man, me tell her say I buy Pepsi, you know. So
hold on. Cut you like?
You know what in that line. Me say mama just
then you have to say me not go to good school, man. You have to remember me, you know, man.
I cut in front of me. So me say I look him now. Cut him back differently for show him his style, but
you ain't cut him.
Me get for rate him, you know. Me not tell him like I realize.
But you know say I not cut you.
Oh.
You know, so move you don't even know. Yeah, because if you ain't like you want to come in front you. Remember, so when a woman come in front you, know? In front you, I rate a dog. Remember, alright, you're with woman you know, bro. Woman have a sneaky style and way to tell a man saying like them. But remember, you know, if you not got a good school, you know, you're not going to know, you know. But if you're streetwise, you can't know. First thing you see and say, ugly boy, I say you're ugly, me not like you, you know. I turn around.
You know what I say, like, he never call me ugly. Right now, I be a cute, him call me cute. I don't know. I don't think he think me ugly, because right now, he just a kill me with cuteness.
You know your test class?
You know your class overall.
Oh.
Yeah, why them sitting there still?
Oh, because I just want if I good still, you understand?
Yeah, man, he must see good, he must see me. Of course, he must see good.
Yeah. But, you know, me glad say you enjoy yourself still. But hold on there, one more thing. What kind of food you eat?
Ice cream, you know what I'm saying? You tell me saying you ain't hungry.
So you not ask him what kind of food or what kind of meat you like?
You tell me saying good with anything.
So you not ask me if you like turkey neck, oxtail?
Me ask him say if you want.
Because me tell you say if you eat oxtail and curry goat and them sitting there want and burger, you know, if you eat them off, you know.
Man, he didn't mention nothing about that. Me ask him say if you want good on my Popeyes. He must say, no, me not feel stressy. Me not feel stressy. He saying good. Matter of fact, he say, she we buy me Popeyes if me want.
That's what you say?
That's what he say.
A good girl.
Straight to God.
Oi, a good girl. Buying him. Hey. No make no it's only I talk to your friend them from me. Tell them say one ugly girl there with.
So me not tell them.
No make them know say girl look good and nice. Hey, friend I want no ramp with friend nowadays, you know. As you get 100,000 and you give them 100,000. No. You get 100,000 you give them 1,000 then corrupt. So not tell them say your girl look nice.
I know me girl. Yeah. Matter of fact, me never even meet him yet. And you alone, me a show.
What you tell me? You tell me nothing?
Who?
No, you tell me nothing?
Tell who?
You're not telling me nothing, bro.
Charge me, not even chat yet. That me a show you.
Me even know your dog. Yeah, my dog. Jesus Christ. Yeah. So I want you to kill him.
I invite him over tomorrow, but me need some money, dog. Come me watch him rate you know, but me not like when I give me money. Me not tell no lie. Me not like that style. Yeah, me general, you know.
You know, so I feel like I go swear to watch him. I want bite two man was bite me now. I want two man was bite me, man. No, sir.
Mommy.
Brother, you there start talk to me and woman and wait for you, man. Better you go link you, man, and then when you don't link you, man, you come back and check me. You understand?
Yeah.
No go back. You see second date, no rush it. You rush it too fast, wait till 2 more weeks. When you get the work.
Kind of.
Remember say, you not tell me say, you know, remember say, you tell me and text me, tell me say, the boss man can link you back. And tell us say, apologize.
The boss man, them move from you. You remember nobody?
So now you text me and tell me say, apologize and in I text you and say, where you ask me what you have to do if you go back go work for him.
Yeah, but me have a woman now, so I feel
Then
right.
if you have a woman, then the best thing you have to do, man. Sometimes you're in a lion mode, you have to take time, Jody. Remember say, Gabby, you can ask me for anything. If you ask me for 5,000 right now, I give, but I don't have you now, because I don't go down and machine it. But I just try to show you, so when you have woman, you have to work. You have woman, if you don't ask people things, you have to work. So like when you have woman and a good woman, you have to work. If you maintain him, because when you don't beg you nothing, them I beg you something. You understand?
Right.
Your woman beg you now. Babes, boy, me want to do me here next week, you know. I mean, if you get the money and you know, but coming up. I tell her, say I want the money for doing here now. So you have to go check back the man and look the work. You understand?
So I said, take back the work from him.
Take back your work. Go out work now. You can't go work now.
No, me not. Tomorrow.
Alright, so me I go spray back your wash them around the
I make them buy it, you know?
Yeah.
Watch her. If them buy it, I take one picture and send me.
Then you want me to send one picture. If them bite me, I go ugly. But you know, if it's someone I come like him, I'm
I know you chat like you're cute. Look, come on.
yeah, later. I tell me a problem, boy, you want to go up on date and have no money. One if you feel say me an idiot, I me never go to good school. This school let me go and then goody. It bright, it doesn't want to refurnish. Like me an idiot. I want next 5,000 you want.
Girl, over time to say me come here, top walk at the back, walk at the front. Me have a front.
Kayla. When me call you, take me think you a joke thing, Kayla.
No. You just call me yesterday and tell me something on the phone about the man not ugly as what you think on him. She like he look dirty the first time.
Kayla. The man and me, she man drive big old car, big old Axio. 4-wheel drive.
That's my question. When you go on it, when bring you go?
Him bring me go a West End girl, a nigger. From South to nigger. Round a one place, West End, round a one dessert place where you go eat ice cream, chocolate, and round at the back of seaside where you sit down and look out way up on the sea, and the sea have one island in the middle.
Oh.
So you know,
And you say him a mish. You think no mish can carry me go ice cream shop go have date?
well, I mean, choose to go there, so because he asked me if more got Popeyes, and I said no.
So you go with the head, that's something to fix up your head.
Me just wake up, girl.
Girl, see all the head is a lift up off. Your mish man couldn't fix up if you ask until you say a
You're
mish.
so fixy, Kayla. You know how to go and
You come like you want to bully me down. I mean, I tell her the right girl, I mean, I think if you do with that man.
As a matter of fact, you know, tell me who and me for dead. The boy nice, and me feel like me like the boy.
You see, I think you do
See, boy have big old and move out to watch pan him hand.
You remember you say ugly, you tell me say ugly and he dirty.
At first, cause it look like his face is sweaty and in the black and it just never look good, but now he look good.
No, he look good.
Yes.
Alright, girl. I hear man, you time with him. You just never come back to me, you know.
You're just jealous just because no man know why you not nobody. Every time I come tell about me man, you never can say, yeah girl. You know what? As a matter of fact, me I got me out for my phone, bed, and go check my man. And
Bye,
show you.
Bye, concubine.
Yes, me a
Bye.
concubine come want somebody where
Bye.
want me, you don't want nobody where
Bye.
want you.
Bye,
I don't know
bye.
what kind of friend you be. That's say some maga, you know no shape and nobody know why you.
Girl, please.
Where this up? This up man. Hello? Yeah. Why you say me if you come from my partner job? Me if you come from my partner job? Alright, yeah, me I'll be there and come for no. Alright. Come for me. Right now me I'm for that. Right now me I'll be there and go for that. Me show Kayla what is money. Cause Kayla no know money. Kayla no know about money. Your partner look for yours. I am partner. You see your partner job. I look for yours. Your bank I look for yours. Pop it on.
Hold on, let me have forward.
Come out, man.
Oh, go on.
You see something I want? You can't paint your house, Puppy Daddy.
Yeah, me don't get up sleep or going.
I know that me upset. Me say if I can't paint your house. Could your house? And you say you're a banker. Anyways, I want a little situation me. I don't know if I can really help me. Cause sorry if you talk about your house too. Me don't want like a hard debt situation. I want 100,000.
Watch on, man. You can't find money, you can't give money. You can't find money, you can't finance your life. You come beg me. Eh? This same man who you have style about us. And me you come beg. Me not have none to give you. Furthermore, you leave a college partner job where you forget it. So how you want to come take away people and forget?
Puppy Dan, you know say me a good peer though.
Yes, you are good peer,
So
but me a fit other people in Nigeria are good peer too, you know. Me can't give it for them hand.
I lose one baby puppy Dan and I want the money to go and doctor and get in so antibiotic and so.
hold
A
on.
life and death situation.
Question, you don't have a MAN.
Puppy Dan I just want one night, me can't go to him man, but Puppy Dan I want me to relax.
So why you want to come to me?
Cause I
me say go do it.
But I am a banker, Puppy Dan.
Me say if I say go do it.
So alright, you're gonna make me dead. Alright, Puppy Dan.
No, me not gonna make that happen. But I don't have it. And the people them partner money, they can come to me anytime.
Alright. Here what go on. My mother fi send me 50 grand next week.
Yeah, but you say
And
100 you want
wait,
from
then
me.
no. Puppy Dan make me talk no.
May I listen?
And you fi give me 50 grand.
Mm-hmm.
So lend me 150.
Hold on. See it there. I Susan I call me for him partner money, you know.
Listen no. So lend me.
Can't answer.
Alright.
100,000. What you say?
Puppy Dan, you listen.
May I hear you?
So you're gonna give me 100. You're gonna give me 100 and me gonna give you 50
No,
next
you
week.
ask me if me I give you tell me.
Yeah, me ask you if me I give me just tell you what I want. So you're gonna give me 100,000 and next week me give you 50 and the other week me give you other 50. No 100,000 that the puppy.
Other week?
The following week in other weekend day. So that still add up to your week.
No, that can't go so at all. Remember, you know, you see same like how you are collect your job, and so people are confidential, you know. See, Susan a call me and me can't even answer Susan because I want the money one time. If I give you my money one time, why you don't want me back one time?
Alright, me a give money. Me just deal with some little thing and give money.
You're sure?
Me sure, Puppy Dan. Go in your house, see money now,
Sean,
Puppy.
listen me now. A people partner job, me can't ramp with their money, you know.
Puppy Dan, me say go and fee money me out.
And when you say me go get it back?
Next week.
I true me know you for a long time, you know, Sean. Me no normally do them this something here, you know.
Puppy Dan, me ask you again, me a good peer.
Everybody in Nigeria good peer. Nobody never style me.
I can't have the money in there, hide. Business is out for money. Me run off with this. Kude! You know say I have the money put on in there, Puppy.
You know? You see this money here?
Puppy, me not really need to know about this money. I don't really need to know about this money. You're good, man. You're going to get.
Listen to me, say no. You move too quick. A Delroy money that day.
Delroy money this time. Delroy, you're going to get back.
Delroy 100.
Delroy.
Please.
I'm going to get interest. 5 grand for it.
Just
Puppy Dan.
Listen to me, say no.
Puppy Dan, you're a good banker. Me recall later.
Watch out, man. Make sure so me I get back the people money around with me, you know.
And I put 5 grand for it.
I told Delroy I say my fall for money next week, but me I give my boss and only hope in a ramp with me, you know. I know if you have money and I have money.
Money in the picture. Me just sit down so.
I think, whoa, something. I just found over here, son. What's going on?
Because me buy you something. I really can't want money from you.
You buy me? What you buy me?
Give me 1 phone.
I feel this with you.
Yeah, because you not say you want some shopping phone.
Baby, thank you so much. I like you.
Let me give you one. Come on.
Like my money too?
No, I see how much. I'm going in and check it.
So, if you get money from your boy, I'll then sit me.
B, what I say, tell me about yourself. Me not tell you about myself.
You're a businesswoman.
Okay.
You're right. Baby, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Right now, this means work. Right now, you know, I'm sitting there, my boss, I try to leave in front of way. Sitting there, I try to leave in front of way. And right now, I'm getting on my car because he's taking one piece of money. Baby, you don't know where to think. I'm telling you the truth. You don't know where to think right now. God, you know. What going on now? You're spending that with me, I'm going to ask you too much.
Yeah, me will come back, baby.
Really?
Go. Drop off something to me and here and come back and stay.
Alright, there, I'll wait for you. I'll go and check the phone.
Can't walk right here, so don't be.
Let me know, go ahead, so I'll show you car.
Alright.
Wow. Down to 29.
Yeah. So you see about later on here.
Alright, no problem. And then second free phone here.
Maybe.
We call.
Tell Lise me could if I give.
Alright, we call.
Maybe.
The link you want to key that coloring book.
Sam,
Yeah,
we can get one bottle of water, please.
yeah, man.
What you look for? See here.
Come round, man, I move around, man. Come in the whole I was then to the half, you know.
You wanna wash them again?
No, man. Alright, this is my button, you know. What do you see? I'll next is my button, right? So, so I celebrate now. Then dead off.
You don't bite you.
No, they bite me from what year.
God, no.
See me chop out the whole of the place.
You're screaming, man.
Yeah, man, I want you, man.
Watch out, man. Hold on for this.
I love money, you know.
By yourself up here, man.
Me I will take it before me ask her what this is for.
You know what I say? I'm going to forward over. Me finally forward over and me kill it.
He dead.
He dead.
Dead. He dead when he can't move.
Can't revive.
He man flatter.
Knock out. Not here 9 long. So here I go on. You get one piece of partner jaw.
Sarah, I get killed with it.
No. Not yet.
No soak like what?
No. What you mean?
Where dog?
Oats, cornflakes, everything.
Eh.
But watch out.
You can punch and hear me.
You're smart. You're
You're bad boy, you know.
So, he get one piece of partner jaw. And he say, yo, you want to give me 4 grand. For right now.
$4,000.
Well, no,
For your
man.
girlfriend, so got 7 and me.
Well, no, man. Well, man. The 4,000 before. You see, after I done, me get 24,000.
24,000. That's 28,000. How you gonna give me 2,000?
Well, no, chop. Well, no, man. So said time now. Me not feel nice and sitting, you know. So me carry my one bar. I tell them, say, yo, me a skill boy. I put 20 grand on the box. Guess how much me make?
How much?
I lose 20 grand. You see, I 8 grand me have to give you 2 tight. Right now, I sad that, but me have to give you my money. But yes, me am more official. Right now, me in the happiest time of my life.
Hold on. Say box 9 money. Where can I get back your money? They want to put the money in your box. In your box.
No, I have to broke that box there. Security would have beat me, keep me and everything. So right now, me just...
So I go put so much money in your box. I you know say now the money I girl give you.
Me did dep on hype. Me not tell no lie. Me did dep...
Yo, you see hype no good? The only time you hype when you're in your girl jungle. And you search out in the jungle. Just so you hype.
I did hype. That's what we know. And that's why I get 24,000 more.
So in love with thing now. So you move in.
Move in. Right now, I'm already come like you are married. Right now.
No, listen to me. If he move in that not too fast, you see married, I only want to hold it down. He want to hold it down. You see me? No, man, you can't, you're mad man. Married.
Person, I'm married him.
You, for? And at 24,000 I give you, and 4,000.
Boy.
You mad, man?
Boy, that's still. Fuck me, yo, me just want to show you April and tell her. Thanks. Right now, for me.
So how the work with the man?
Yeah, remember some tell us that get show, man. Remember some tell us that good, man.
So you don't get paid?
Yeah.
So,
I link you back. Next time I link you back, man. Next time I link you back.
Alright.
Money, you owe me some help of money. You just take time and give me half and something. But I'm good still. I'm good still.
So, me like how you and the girl work out still. You see me? Me like that. Me kind of like that. That is so good.
Yeah.
That is a fast, good relationship where it happen too fast, but it happen good. You understand?
Yeah.
Tough boy, man.
Yo.
You learn fast.
I go up on the work, you know.
You go up on, how work? The girl, two of them. You're a tough boy. Big up yourself.
Yo, no make you stay by here.
God, alright. Jesus Christ, the boy walk and get 4,000. And then he go a girl again and get 28,000. And the boy up on hype tree and get one look of money. And go turn in a box and lose the money and come give me $2,000. Eh? And then the boss pay him now. And then, you know, give me a money out there, you know. And what I give boy money, you know. I good youth still. And I went give, I went do. I good youth. I good youth.
Girl!
You finally left the boy?
What? Why did I come on? You're big thinking that we never
Cause me brush my teeth
You
this
brush your
morning.
teeth for morning.
Me brush my teeth, you brush your teeth. Where you are come from?
My brush my teeth come from my money and the man have more wash in the bathroom.
Mouth wash on.
Guess what?
What?
I slept over. Guess what again?
What?
I get shrimp Alfredo. I guess what again?
That's not a story. By the shrimp Alfredo.
In buy.
When you get money from me, saying broke like a dog.
See boy, I use 12 Pro Max. And y'all come ask me where boy get money from.
So who give for me? Think you send you on your phone?
Him never have none in get now. And he have him a rich mother friend girl. The boy just was wild me. Girl, what are they money I want?
Shan.
You know about that ugly
Shan.
Nicey.
Shan. How long me your friend?
Me don't know girl from here and I'm a foot bottom.
So what that mean? That means I know you.
So we are trying to say, like me I tell Kayla.
From me know you ever they spend per man. I never see a meet a man or they spend per you yet.
Kayla, please.
And I said the last time about Steve. And when you Steve left, you can't tell me why you used to
Why
marry
you want
boy.
to call Steve name to me?
Because I the truth. It is the truth.
Come me get $1,000.
Take a glass, you couldn't put something on it. Come. Awa.
Kayla.
What? Give me the money. What is the problem?
Hey.
Awa. Girl, take out
Kayla, you
the
saw
money.
I'm brown envelope and I send them back.
The brown envelope not the day I tight to have it a print out. You know have sense. Come on, take out the my money there. I put the money in your.
Kayla, come here, girl.
Awa.
Come here, girl. Me mad now.
Awa.
Kayla. You don't know, so me get it on a jar. And me carry money over boy and Kayla. Kayla look like
Empty. But they want about a black boy there. You see it? But they want the money your father just intake can buy afro or give whatever you want see and yam or shrimp. Whatever you want, you need to take your money. Give me $1,000.
Kayla, but
So what you gonna do? Think good. Think well last year see. When you left in here, did you have it? Eh? No bad bad. No bad. You make me bad with you. I don't want bad with you. Don't pull up my clothes off of me. You can't afford my cheap clothes.
Kayla,
What?
I need say boy wicked and thief.
Girl, when I left the boy, did he have the money? Did he have the envelope? Did he have the envelope?
Remember.
Oh, you don't remember you walk with whole heap of money. You idiot.
Jesus Christ, Kayla. Me take up the envelope, but it may be the empty.
If it is empty, where the girl? No more they left the boy and I'm gonna last the money. Oh God, so we are going to do when the partner man I look for you? Eh? We are going to do.
Puppy Dan, kill me.
Oh, she could have helped me but I go got no money.
Puppy Dan, I go kill me.
You alone.
Jesus Christ.
Me so glad me not two partners and the partner look for me for no money.
Back over here.
Who fired? Who fired? Why you man yard? You're right. Girl, go on.
Kayla, put me up for today, not just sit today. Tomorrow, me find somewhere go.
Not even for a minute. Me now put you up. Go about your business. For last people when I walk over my yard, people think I'm here your thief money. You see, man.
Much dear now, youth. Much dear now, and Shan can't answer me call them, brother. People are call me for them partner money, and me can't answer people them call what. Me no get no answer from Shan. Yo. Shan will make me pre-violence na this in the youth. And me never want to reach the sign. See the Susie I call me, you know. Shan not answer now. I don't know what going on. Since you want to hard way, Shan, alright, I'm fine. Bad boy, Jimmy. Bad boy, Jimmy. Bad boy, Jimmy. Bad. How that?
Harper.
Mr. Romeo. You walk like a tired boy. Like you're being again.
No, sir.
I walk on.
I don't know that. I don't know what I'm doing.
Like you look tired, man.
You ever feel
Like a tunnel drive go.
You ever feel like I do everything right, but everything still go wrong?
What about time you feel that way?
You ever feel like no matter how you try go up, dog, everything just go down in your life?
Well, me go up in but me never go down. So what go on?
I don't know what happened. I don't know that. The girl just start me weird and something.
You see him, girl?
Yeah. And that stress me out.
No. What you say? Your girl move away already?
I don't know what happened.
Davy, remember say old car get problem and new car get problem, you know. You not get it? Old car get problem, new car get problem. Some of us are try to tell us say if she give a problem already, no think less or think more, just know it's a part of the journey.
You feel so?
You can't stress yourself on that, brother.
I don't know
If you want to see the and play and just crush if you dash right and get a different CD. Remember say you're young, you know. You're not supposed to have nothing older than, you know. And not like now you're 50, you know.
Yeah, but
Why main problem with you and the girl?
I don't know. I could not tell her.
So let me ask you a question. When you're in your yard, in your bedroom, I know I do no business, you deal with the proper.
Of course.
Okay, so you pass. And you came out on dating, enjoy yourself.
Of course.
I think say want a money you give him.
I fling upon him, busting heady for that.
And he like you, you saying him sister, not me sister. Him say you're cute. Okay. And so me not find out what the problem. So here we are going on now. You see, woman I want somebody else look on you for 24 hours and like you 48 hours, 2 days, 3 days, 1 week or 1 month or 1 year and then like you. You see when that time that's done, you can't check up, they not like you again. Then like somebody different. So maybe one of them moments where I go through.
Me not feel like that though. You think me should try to fight for him?
Why you go fight for something you don't know why I fight for? You don't know what the problem for you can't fight for it. You don't know if somebody tell him say you have a different woman. You don't know if somebody tell him say you don't know so you go fight what you don't know about. You have to find out the problem first before me can tell you to fight for him. But all me can't tell if him give your attitude already, cut him off. Kevin just come in your life and him live good and you treat him good and he start your attitude. I run if you run him out of your life.
Well, I don't know.
Alright, you are going out that way. You see what you are telling me say right now, you treat him good and everything. You see if I'm in your position, me cut or him have to cut, but by any idea somebody get cut. So me I know you and you are not me. So you see you now, you are you. So listen what me I say now. Me just have to tell you as a G. find out what the problem and see if you can fix. And if you find out the problem and you find out say you can fix, and you feel like you want to fight for me, you want to give him a chance, you get what me I say, because woman kind of annoying more while woman this minute their mind change. You don't know why problem. You come like when your sister come a month time, them belly pain them, then hot them, and when after 2, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, and then good again. So you don't know what the problem. But if you feel like you want to fight for him, you just fight for him. But me want cut or she have to cut. You get what me I say? Some just tell us the honest truth. But on one thing, I want to show you something in my life. Don't move. Relationship. Young, old, cute, ugly, pretty, unfaithful, loyalty. Go in your box. So that's the first mistake you make with a relationship. Because when you're in a relationship is a box. Come out of the relationship. So this is the relationship. A box. So when you book a relationship, new, old, ugly, cute, honest, dishonest, when you go in our relationship, 1 foot in and 1 foot out. So if problems start in a relationship, what you going to do? You have to take out next foot. I want to take out your next foot. What you going to do?
Come take out it.
You take out your balance on this foot away out of the relationship. The point where I try to show you, don't put your 2 foot in the relationship. Because you will get hurt. You understand? So I just say, set yourself if you get hurt, you can balance on the next foot when you get hurt.
Alright.
You understand?
Yeah.
So what that I can't tell you right now. You see me? Yeah, and a face don't look good, man. The face where you come over there and tell me say you beat up it and you like it and you say you're cute at them, the face I'm want to say as a G. You understand?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll go over there, look where you are. I want to go old foot now over just so catch you. Over bridge, I go more, but you don't see me. You understand?
I'm see now. Yo, big up yourself. Here. God.
Sean. Oh my God. Come on, alright? Girl, may I talk to you?
Alright, Kayla.
If I back your money?
Kayla, me stress. The partner man a call on my phone. I can't answer. Kayla, this too much. Me don't know where to go. Me don't know what first thing what to do.
Girl, me your friend. And that's why I never put it in so because I don't want to put your stress on my head, but I think about it last night, I sleep, I couldn't sleep comfortable because I can't be with my friend, I know for so long in a trouble, I can't help her. So this time I go to girl. I'm a fuck. How me they call you and I answer?
Girl, you they call me, mommy a call me, big belly puppy that I'm taking money from when me sorry say me take you a call me, the man a call me, him and everybody a call me.
Well, girl, right now,
I know, you see right now, me just gotta change my chip and find one handbag going on.
well, I'll go, me have a plan. You know what I want to do? Me have one little house at home where you can go stay in a one little old catching it. You know, hype like this where you live in now. It's a board house, if you know what I mean. So, you don't give your money to pay your fare. Best advice I give you to do is run off. Run off and don't look back. Just run.
You really do that with me?
Yes. So, I go help you pack up your bag, give the money for your pay your fare for go to town and give the house key.
Come we go pack.
Alright. Come on, you're closing me.
Sean, pull it over.
Alright, so we are the end of the movie. I know something I go want to see part 2, but watch now. You know have to make me know just to see himself. You know, want to see it. Comment part 2 in the comments. Me I go look in there and me I look for it. So watch now. Just jump over to the other channels in the meantime, in between time. And if you make it right here, that means you definitely enjoy the video. So please leave a like. Remember to subscribe and just have a great day. Alright.